GTM20 fuse parts replacement. The parts have been lost out of this Garmin GTM20. We purchased a repair kit through GPSandstuff.com. Comes with a spring prong, a fuse, screw retainer, ring, and a tip. First thing we want to do is take our four-prong spring, insert it over the GTM20. Be sure that all four ends are in place. Take your silver retainer ring, simply install it over this prong, insert the fuse, take the silver tip, round end first, face down inside of the retainer, roll it over the top of the fuse, screwing it in clockwise. You get it tight, take one good last time with your fingers, and therefore we have a repaired GTM20. Again, those parts are available through GPSandstuff.com.